Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy Besan Laddu recipe for Diwali. Homemade Besan Laddus are a treat for the whole family, or you can pack this as a Diwali gift for your loved ones. I made these laddus without refined sugar, just the way Besan Laddus were made traditionally, so that you can enjoy your Diwali in a much healthier and guilt-free way. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. First, I am roughly chopping some cashew nuts. I am using half cup of Desi Ghee in this recipe. So into my cast iron pan, I am adding in 1/4 cup Desi Ghee, and once the ghee is heated, I am adding in 2 cups of besan flour, also known as chickpea flour. Mix the besan and the Desi Ghee for about a minute, and then add in little more Desi Ghee and mix well for about 2 minutes on low flame. And then add in the rest of the Desi Ghee. So in this recipe, I am using half cup Desi Ghee for 2 cups of besan flour. Mix this really well. Never mind the clumps in the besan, as the ghee, when it starts to release out, the besan will become smooth. Note that I am using a cast iron pan which retains more heat, hence I am cooking on low heat. Remember that Desi Ghee helps to reduce the glycemic index and also helps to assimilate vitamins and minerals, and this actually makes these laddus nutrient dense. After about 7 minutes, the besan has started to become smooth, so keep on stirring it, and remember that if you leave it unattended, it may get burnt. 10 minutes later, Desi Ghee has started releasing out, and 15 minutes later, Desi Ghee has released out and the besan has become creamy. Keep on stirring, and after about 20 to 25 minutes, the besan has started to thicken and has started turning to a light golden brown color along with a nice flavor of roasted besan. Now I'm quickly freshly grinding some seeds of about 6 cardamoms, and I'm adding it into the besan and mixing it really well. Now freshly ground cardamom gives a nice flavor, so if possible try to use freshly ground cardamom. Now turn off the heat and add in 1 tablespoon chopped cashew nuts, or you can use any nut of your choice like pista or badam, and mix the nuts really well. The cashew nuts will get roasted in the residue heat, and as you can see, the besan has changed color and is nicely roasted. Now transfer the pan from the gas stove, and I'm placing it on a wooden cutting board so that the heat comes down a little, and I'm mixing it really well, as that will also help the heat to come down a little. And once it has cooled down a little, add in 1 1/4 cups of organic jaggery powder and mix well. Now you can increase jaggery powder up to 1 1/2 cups if you prefer more sweetness in your laddus. Now mix the jaggery powder really well. The residue heat of the besan mix will help the jaggery to melt. So once the mixture starts to cool down, it will thicken. But make sure that you mix the jaggery really well into the besan mix, so that if there are any lumps in the jaggery, it will melt and incorporate into the mix. Unlike refined sugar, jaggery is rich in iron and folate and a much healthier option than refined sugar. The buying links of the organic jaggery I'm using will be updated below this video. Now just to make sure that the jaggery is well mixed into the besan mix, I'm using a flat spoon to mix. Once nicely mixed, allow it to cool down, and when they are still warm, pinch off lemon-sized ball and roll into small laddus. And lastly, place a fat pinch of chopped cashew nuts on top and lightly press it down. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut of your choice, like maybe chopped pistachios or even badam. So guys, do enjoy your Diwali with these homemade jaggery besan laddus with family and friends. Or you can even pack this as a Diwali gift for your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Wishing all of you a wonderful and blessed Diwali. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.